Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to demonstrate how you can sync WhatsApp Cloud API leads to Airtable with lead source. And in this video, I am going to integrate WhatsApp and Airtable with the help of Pabbly Connect. And after that, whenever I will receive a new message on my WhatsApp account, then all those details will automatically get created as a record in my Airtable account. So now to show you a step-by-step process of how I am going to create this amazing integration, let me take you to my screen. Hi, this is Jay and now we are on my screen. So today I will show you this amazing integration that I have created between WhatsApp Cloud API and Airtable with the help of Pabbly Connect. And with the help of this integration, whenever I receive a message notification on my WhatsApp account, I save that particular number as a record on my Airtable base. And first of all, I will show you a real-time example of how this automation will work. And for that, we will go on my WhatsApp account, and inside this chat, I will type down this message, "Hello there, I need more details about the product that you sell online." And when I will send this message inside this chat, you will see that this particular number will get automatically created as a record in my Airtable base. So you can see this is my Airtable base, and in here when I will refresh this particular page, we will see that this new record has been created successfully with my name, my mobile number, my message, and the source from which I have sent this particular message. So this is what our results will look when we have successfully completed our automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now I will show you how exactly I created this amazing automation. And to start creating this automation, we have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/connect. And after that, when we will click on this enter button, we will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And in here on the top right corner, you can see we get two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Connect, then you have to click on the sign up free button here, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing automation. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on the sign in button given here. But before moving forward, I would like to share with you some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, and here individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now I will go back to my Pabbly Connect, and then as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button, and after that I will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. And in here you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today as we are going to use this Pabbly Connect, that's why I will click on this access now button, and after that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And inside this dashboard, on right side you can see this create workflow button is given to us. By clicking on this button, I can start creating a workflow for myself. And on the left side here you can see this plus button is given in the front of this folders option. By clicking on this plus button, I can create a folder for myself, and in those particular folders I can save my workflows to stay organized. And now to start creating a workflow, I will click on this create workflow button, and then I have to select between these two workflow builders. So you can see we have these two workflow builders, this new version and this old classic version. So for today I will select this new version, which is modern, faster and more flexible. But you can select any of these workflow builders to start creating a workflow. So I will select this new version, and then inside this dialog box I will give a meaningful name to my workflow as this sync WhatsApp Cloud API leads to Airtable with lead source. And then from this second box here, I will select the folder in which I want to save this particular workflow, and then I will click on this create button. And after that you will see that I will get directed on this most important window for our workflow, which hosts this trigger button. And this trigger button is like the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. And after this trigger button, we will move towards our action step, and that action step is actually the response towards this particular trigger. And if I talk about definition, trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So these trigger and action buttons are actually the two basic concepts on which our whole workflow is going to be based on. And now to help you better understand how this trigger and action buttons will work, let me share with you guys my objective for today's workflow. So today I want that whenever I receive a new message notification on my WhatsApp account, then that particular number gets created as a record on my Airtable base automatically for better lead tracking and management. So for today, my trigger application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I will search for my trigger application WhatsApp Cloud API from here, and I will select it from here. And after that, for this trigger event, I will select this message notification because I want my workflow to get triggered with a message notification on my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And then to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button given here. And then you can see we have received this webhook URL. So first of all, I will copy this webhook URL from here, and then I will follow the steps given under this hyperlink here. So you can see when I will click on this hyperlink, I will get directed on this particular page, and in here below this WhatsApp Cloud API section, you will see that all the steps required to connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect are given here. So you can follow them and you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect easily. And if you want to learn in detail how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, then you can also watch this attached video here. But to save our time, I will show you directly how you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And for that, you just have to go on a new tab and enter developers.facebook.com. And after that, when you will click on the enter button, you will land on this particular page of Meta for developers. And inside this page, first of all, you have to create an application for yourself. And if you want to learn how to create an application for yourself, then for you, I will add a link of that video explaining that particular thing inside the description box of this video. And after creating an application for yourself, you have to click on this My Apps given on the right side here. And after that, from this particular page, you have to select the application that you have created for yourself. And when you are inside your application, you have to choose the WhatsApp inside this particular application. And you will see that your WhatsApp will be given on the left side here. And from this drop down of this WhatsApp, you have to select this configuration, and inside this configuration you will see that this callback URL box is given to you. So first of all, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect inside this callback URL box. And for this verify token, we will again go back to this particular page, and in here when I will scroll down, you will see that this verify token is mentioned here. So I will copy this verify token from here and I will paste it inside this particular verify token box. And after that, I will click on this verify and save button. And then from this select product drop down here, I will select this particular product WhatsApp business account, and then I have to scroll down and I have to look for messages. So you can see this is the messages. So I will click on this button to subscribe to this messages, and then we will send a test message to Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have to click on this test button and then on this send to server button. And after that, we will go back on our Pabbly Connect account and we will see that Pabbly Connect has captured a response successfully. So this is my Pabbly Connect account, and in here we have successfully captured this response. And this means that our trigger step WhatsApp Cloud API is working all fine. So now I will move towards my action step. And to add action step, I just have to click on this plus button given here, and from this search bar, I will search for my action application. And as I want to create a record in my Airtable base, so that's why my action application will be this Airtable. So I will search for my Airtable and I will select it from here. And for my application event, I will select this create record because I want to create a record inside my Airtable account. And now to connect Airtable with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button given here. And after that, you will see that we have got these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you are connecting your Airtable account with Pabbly Connect for the first time, then you have to go with this add new connection. Otherwise, if you have already connected your account with Pabbly Connect, then you can go with this select existing connection. But now to show you how you can connect your Airtable account with Pabbly Connect, I will go with this add new connection, and that's why I will click on this connect with Airtable. And as I have already logged into my Airtable account, that's why why you will see that Pabbly Connect has automatically detected it. So now I will click on this add all sources, and then I will click on this grant access button, and after that you will see that my connection is created successfully. And now I have to fill up these following fields to successfully complete our workflow. And for this base name, you will see that when I will click on this drop down, all the bases that I have created in my Airtable account are now visible to me. So from here I will search for the base in which I want to store all the details. So you can see this is the base in which I want to store all the leads that I receive from my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So you can see I have selected this particular base, and inside this particular base you can see I had created these 4 following fields. So now when I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, you can see that these particular 4 following fields are now detected successfully by Pabbly Connect. So now I will fill up all of these following fields one by one. And for this table name, you can see as inside that base I had only created one table, that's why Pabbly Connect has also detected it. And now for this profile name, I will take help of mapping to fill up this particular field. And to map data, you just have to click on this box given here, and after that when you will click on this drop down of your trigger step, you will see that all the responses that you have captured in your trigger step are now visible to you. So from here I will search for this profile name. So you can see this is the profile name, and when I will click on this, then this profile name is mapped successfully. And now for this phone number, I will repeat the same process. When I will click on this drop down, you will see that this is the phone number from which I have received this particular message. So when I clicked on this phone number, this number got mapped automatically. And just like this, I will quickly map this message and this source fields. So here you can see I have successfully mapped all of these following fields, and now I know that you must be in doubt that why I have mapped all of these following fields and what exactly is mapping. So if I tell you in simple words, when we map data, it becomes dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update that old data with the new captured data. But if I will fill the field manually, like if I will type down the name of my user manually, then that particular data will remain static and will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why we have to maintain a balance while we fill up these fields. Like if I want some data to get changed automatically, then I will map it. But if I want some data to remain static, then I will type it down manually. So now I hope that you have understood why we map data, and also as we have successfully filled all of these following fields, so now I will click on this save and send test request button, and then you will see that we have received this response, and with this response we have successfully created a new record in my Airtable base. So you can see this is my Airtable account, and in here when I will refresh this particular page, you will see that this particular new record has been added successfully inside this particular Airtable base. So I have successfully demonstrated how you can create a new record inside your Airtable base every time you receive a message on your WhatsApp account. And the integration that I have created with the help of Pabbly Connect will work instantly whenever you will receive a message notification on your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So this is how you can also create such an amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you want to clone this workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box of this video. So you can go and clone this workflow from there. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only these applications, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this given website here. Also, if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with our friends. Thank you.